Successful leaders and entrepreneurs are valuable sources of motivation when I feel like I need guidance. An inspirational quote can inspire me to do my best work. That's especially true when they come from my favorite leaders like Steve Jobs, Oprah Winfrey, and Walt Disney. Many of these experts condense their life experiences and wisdom into short quotes that are meaningful and encouraging. I feel like I'm skimming a biography and jumping to the juiciest parts, so I gathered a list of my favorite quotes so you can reap all the benefits without the search. Whether you seek short motivational quotes about life or positive quotes to post online, these great quotes can help discover the most famous, motivating quotes in this post. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. My favorite quotes contain messages that provide wisdom. I can carry these messages with me daily and find inspiration to be the best version of myself. You'll notice below I've gathered bits of knowledge from activists, leaders, and authors. Getting overwhelmed and stressed is a part of life. I feel my heart pound faster when I'm against tight deadlines at work or facing challenges outside of the office. These famous quotes remind me that life is beautiful and we should live it to the fullest. On the tough days, I find that these bits of optimism make all the difference. I'm a planner who loves to think ahead, but even with all my efforts, life throws me curveballs and I need to figure out the best course of action. That's when I turn to these inspirational quotes.